Now let's make pap to go with our crunchy akara, the perfect weekend combo. Some people don't really know how to make pap and you won't blame them. To make pap is very difficult. It looks simple, but it's not simple, it's very difficult. So let me show you how to make pap now. Pap is also known as ogi or akamu. It's a smooth corn pudding made from fermented maize. Yes, it is made from corn. If you follow this step to make your pap, you won't make watery pap again, never. Dissolve your pap till you have this consistency. Not too thick, not watery. I added sugar. I will mix it properly. If you don't like sugar, you can skip that part. You can also take your pap without adding sugar. Next, I will go in with some bubbling hot water. I quickly pour the hot water into the pap while stirring it continuously in one direction. Don't pour slowly or it will turn watery. As it thickens, I reduce the pressure and start adding the water slowly until it thickens just the way I want it. Once I'm okay with the texture, I stop and pour little more hot water on top to cover the pap. Cover it with a plate and set it aside for 1 minute. After that, I open it up and stir everything together. And that's it. Smooth lump-free pap, perfect for our crunchy akara, is ready. Do you see how thick this pap is? If you feel yours is too thick, just add little more hot water. It will loosen it a bit. I'll serve some into a plate and I'll add some milk. Then I'll enjoy it with my crunchy akara. And I'm going to be adding bread to this my akara. Thank you all for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please do where to subscribe, like, share. It will help me get more visibility. See you in my next video. Bye bye.